Vankyo video projector. How to connect is we connect with the Windows 10 stick with a keyboard and a mouse. Power switch is on the right side. Press once to turn it on. Screen shows is a 100-inch projector screen with a Windows 10. To adjust, press the function key. You have all these functions, you can adjust them. And once you've done that, press exit key and back to shows Windows 10. To turn it off, press twice on here, on the power, and that's how you turn it off.
The video quality is really good. The sound volume is also really good.